Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do a little math today. And you know what? This week, this is probably the only math I'm going to do with you on a video. We're going to do most of our math during morning meeting because I want to use the videos so that we can start doing some science. We'll save our experiments for Friday. But I want to talk a lot more about animals in the winter and how they survive. So this will be the only math video today, and it will be the only day that you're going to work in your math workbook. Of course, those of you who need to catch up a little bit in happy numbers, remember we have finished units 1 and 2, and we have begun 3. So everybody should be in unit 3. Now I've heard from a few parents who have said, I can't tell. I'm really sorry. I thought you could see that on your screen. So if you want to know exactly where your child is, let me know in an email when you send their work, and when I answer you, I can write where your child is. Most of them are already into 4. Some are beyond. This class is doing amazing. So we haven't talked a lot about our cards in a while, but I know you can do it. This is what I want you to do. Get out your cubes, okay? And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold up a number. You know that number. I want you to very quickly show me that number with cubes. 2. Ready? I'm going to pick them up this way. I'm trying to figure out the best way. I only have 2. Can you fix it? Put 5 on there. Awesome. Now, parents, as I'm going, I may go a little fast for some children. So, feel free to pause the video. I had this. Is that what you did? Awesome. Let's keep going. Fabulous. Ready? Yeah, I'm not doing it anymore, but I hope you are. Did you notice that those last 3 cards were all the same? You didn't have to change it at all, did you? That's the thing. You don't have to take them apart. You have to look at the number. I have to make it 1. Well, that's pretty easy. Good job. 2. 1. Very good. So I still have my 2. Yipes! You know what I'm noticing here? Those 2 in the middle. So if I cover that, now I have the 2 that are covered. How many more do I need? You can see 6, right? 6, 7, 8. So there's going to be 8 in total. 6, 7, 8. That was a hard one. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got it. If you have to pause it, it's okay. Ooh, what's that number? Ooh, look. 5, like the yellow ones, and 3 more. 6, 7, 8. I didn't even have to change it. Still have 8. Oh, now it's 3. Look at that. Can you see the 3 already? Ha ha. I love math. I love looking for patterns. Look at that one. 4 on this side, 4 on this side. That's still 8, isn't it? So I put the 5 back on. Now I have 8. Back to 3. Just take that 5 off. It's 3. Ooh, I have 3 here. I need 6. Well, there's 2 ways to do it. I could have 5 and 1 more. That makes 6. Or, if the card made me think about 3 and 3, I could do 3 red and 3 yellow. I wonder what one you did. So I have 6 there. 4. All right, so I am going to go back to having all the same color. I decided. But you could also have 2 plus 2. There's lots of ways to do it, isn't there? Ooh, look at that number. We've seen that, haven't we? Remember when I said the 2 in the middle and 6. What number was that? It's 8, you're right. It is 8. So I'm going to go back with my 5 and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fabulous. All right. And last one. That's a good one to try if you want to start the video over at some point. See if you can do it all. Okay. Well, let's go to our work today. You're going to be doing page 11. Boys and girls, this is easy in your brain, but sometimes drawing it is hard. Okay? So don't worry if yours doesn't look exactly the way you want to. It says draw a stick shorter than my 5 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's lots of ways to make a stick that is shorter, isn't there? So you just need to decide. Shorter can be 1, 2, 3, or 4. You know what I want? I just kind of went under it. And see how I used the lines that were there? What stick did I make? I made a 4 stick. Do you have to? No! Use your own thoughts. Then have an adult help you with reading. Draw a stick that is longer than mine. Well, I'm going to put in the lines. I'm just matching it. So now my stick has 1, 2, 3, 6. 6. 7, 8, 9. Is 9 longer than 6? It is. Could you do 7? Sure, that's longer. Then here they want you to draw one that's shorter. See how I just added them on? Don't worry if it doesn't look the way you want it to. Then you're going to do page 14. An adult will help you with the reading. Circle the stick that is shorter than the other. So which stick is shorter? Circle the stick that is longer than the other. You can do that. And then down here, moms and dads can help. It says my stick is longer than my stick. They want a number there. Which stick is the longest one? Well, the 5 stick is. So you would write my 5 stick is longer than my, okay? It probably won't take you very long, so that's why I thought happy numbers might be a great thing to do, because I think the rest of the week we're going to be doing some activities and you may not have time to get to it. Anybody who is lower than Module 2, hasn't started Module 3, really needs to try to get on 45 minutes. I haven't had anyone tell me that it wasn't working for their child, but feel free to give me a call, not a call, feel free to send me an email if that's not working. I can change the expectations. I just haven't done it because most of the kids that aren't doing it are doing 0. So it's not like they're working and they're not able to. If you are above Module 3, you are right on track. So no worries. Okay? Have a great day, boys and girls.